Hi, I'm Matthew Bernard. Our company has been making tool sharpeners for over 35 years. We started sharpening industrial drill bits, and now we've taken our knowledge and experience into the consumer world. I'm here to introduce you to our newest sharpener, the WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener. Your knife and tool sharpener came with 3 belts. Came with a green belt to do rough grinding work, came with a red belt to do rough sharpening, and it came with a purple belt to do your final sharpening and honing. Before we can sharpen, we need to install the belt. To do that, I'm going to first push down and rotate on the belt tensioner. This will lock it in place. Then I'm going to slide the belt onto the 2 lower pulleys. I'm going to rotate the tensioner one more time to take up the slack on the belt. Make sure that the belt has centered on the 3 pulleys. Finally, I'm going to install the guide. Now we're ready to sharpen. Now I'm going to show you how to sharpen a straight-bladed knife. The basic technique that I'm going to show you here can be applied to most other knives. First, make sure you have the red medium grit installed on your sharpener. Next, insert the knife into the right side of the guide. It's important to make sure that the knife is pressing against the outside edge of the guide. Turn the machine on and slowly draw the knife through the guide. Next, repeat the process on the left side of the guide, again ensuring to keep the knife pressed against the outside of the guide. To finish, I'm going to make sure to repeat this process 5 times on each side of the knife. Now that we've used the red medium belt to roughly sharpen the knife, I've installed the purple fine belt so we can do a final hone on the knife edge. I'm going to use the same process. Put the knife in the right side of the guide, once again ensuring that the knife is pressed against the outside edge of the guide. Turn the machine on and draw the knife through. Repeat the process on the left side of the guide. Repeat the sharpening process until you've sharpened on each side of the guide a total of 5 times. Now I'm going to show you how to sharpen a serrated knife. Before we do, a couple important features about serrated knives. Notice that one side of the knife has a bevel and one side is flat. Only sharpen the flat side of the knife on your WorkSharp knife and tool sharpener. To do so, simply place the flat side of the knife against the belt, turn the machine on, and slowly draw the knife through. Repeat this process 2 to 3 more times until your knife is sharp. If you have a severely damaged knife, you can use a small round file to recreate the teeth. Now I'm going to show you how to sharpen scissors. Note that I've installed the red medium belt on the machine. It's important that you hold the scissors in the center of the pivot throughout the sharpening process. Set the flat side of the scissors on the scissor guide, turn the machine on, and draw the scissors through. Flip the scissors over and sharpen the other side. Repeat as many times as necessary until the scissors are sharp. Your WorkSharp can also do many other rough sharpening and grinding tasks. Simply rotate the cassette into the grinding position, secure your workpiece, and sharpen or grind.